On March 18, 2025, Nigerian President Bola Tinubu declared a state of emergency in Rivers State. This proclamation led to the suspension of Governor Siminalayi Fubara, his deputy, and all state legislators for an initial period of 6 months. The decision was primarily driven by escalating political tensions and a surge in pipeline vandalism, notably a fire on the Trans-Niger pipeline, a critical conduit for oil exports. The authority to declare a state of emergency in Nigeria is enshrined in Section 305 of the 1999 Constitution. This section delineates specific scenarios under which the president can issue such a proclamation: 1. War or imminent danger. 2. Breakdown of public order. 3. Natural disasters. 4. Public danger. 5. Request by a state governor. In the case of Rivers State, the declaration was justified under the provisions related to the breakdown of public order and public safety, as well as the public danger posed by the rampant pipeline vandalism and the ensuing political crisis. Following the declaration, the president is mandated to transmit copies of the official gazette containing the proclamation to the president of the Senate and the Speaker of the House of Representatives. Each must convene their respective chambers to deliberate on the situation and decide whether to approve the proclamation. The state of emergency remains in effect for 6 months but can be extended with legislative approval. In this instance, Nigerian lawmakers endorsed President Tinubu's declaration, thereby fulfilling the constitutional requirement for legislative approval. The suspension of Governor Fubara, his deputy, and state legislators has sparked significant debate regarding its constitutional validity. Legal experts and organizations, notably the Nigerian Bar Association (NBA), argue that while the president has the authority to declare a state of emergency, the Constitution does not empower him to unilaterally remove or suspend elected state officials. The NBA contends that such actions amount to an unconstitutional usurpation of power and a fundamental breach of Nigeria's federal structure. They emphasize that the Constitution provides clear procedures for the removal of a governor and deputy governor, as per Section 188, and that a declaration of emergency does not automatically dissolve or suspend elected state governments. The declaration of a state of emergency in Rivers State underscores the Nigerian government's efforts to address severe threats to public order and safety, particularly those impacting the nation's vital oil industry. However, the subsequent suspension of elected officials raises critical constitutional questions about the extent of presidential powers during such emergencies. This situation highlights the delicate balance between ensuring national security and upholding democratic principles, necessitating a careful and lawful approach to governance during times of crisis.